Okay, so as promised, those of you who possibly didn't do SketchUp last year and you'd like to do a little sort of an area where you'd like to sketch out like any particular room or anything like that, which shows the problem. Could be a bedroom, it could be a living room, it could be an office, could be a garage, could be an office space. Type in SketchUp free and then just select that one. SketchUp free, no, go for that one. Let's see what happens. Incorrect. It's good to choose the wrong one. See that one? Right, and so you should be faced with this cabinet here. And then go to start modeling. Now I'm already logged in to SketchUp, you won't be. So make sure you click on continue with Google and then you'll be good to go. Click on the drop down menu. May as well go into meters. Normally if you're in design you go millimeters. Click on meters and then we can have a look at designing up a simple room just to show off where the area could be, and sometimes this is nicer than just a sketch. Click backspace. So let's just draw a simple room. Grab here a rectangle or a square. Don't worry about the size, just drag out the rough proportions of the room. And then what I tend to do is I look at these views here, standard views, and I'm just going to look from the top. So just zooming out there on the pad. So let's just say that this room was slightly different shape. So I'm just putting another square there. I could use my line tool as well for that. So let's just say that's my line tool. Let's just say somewhere there was the shape of the room looked like that. Use the erase tool to take out that line and to take out that one, and again just take out that inside one. So let's just say my room looked like that. Isometric or ISO, click on there and you'll see that's the room layout. I wouldn't extrude this. The push pull tool is here. Leave it as is because all you want to do is just something flat. Press escape, go back to your top. So let's just say I had a desk in the corner, and then let's just say with the circle tool I had a small bin where I put things, and then maybe I've got some electrical sockets. So let's just tab, and then I'm using my mouse pad with my fingers, and then I could just put in some, that's my power sockets there, and let's just say I've got, I don't know, a couch in the corner. So use your pan. Let's just say there's a nice big couch in the corner here. There you go. And then maybe it's in here you've got TV on the wall. So there's your main desk. Then there's a chair, study chair, like that. Maybe it's zoom in. Maybe you could just put a back on it, as if it's got like a back. Zoom in a bit, from there to there. There you go. Zoom extents is really good. So click on that one and go zoom extents, and it just brings everything back into focus. So we could color these if you want. So just move over to here, click, and then go to where's my search option? Search. There you go. Click on that one. No, that one. We'll do that one again. There you go. And I've got some basic colors. I could go for some fabrics. So maybe that's my couch. Maybe I could go for some wood, and I've got a wooden desk on here, and then my TV. I might go for something like that on the wall. Get the idea. So you can begin to sort of give an idea of what your room would look like. You can put some labeling on here if you like, but you've got to be careful with the colours. So if you wanted to put some text on there, click, and then you can just put on here text. Don't know whether should I put 3D, see what happens. Yep. Enter 3D text. You could put in the couch if you're American. That's okay. You can change the size, see if we can change it. So there's your couch. Maybe you could label it, or got to be careful where you put the text, but if that sits in there, you got to be careful with the colour in the background. Anyway, I'll press escape. That's how you can do text. So to do the size, let's see if there's another, just an ordinary text tool. 3D. It's not really another text. Anyway. So if you go to dimensions and you want to give someone a rough size, so click from that endpoint to that endpoint, and then if you just click to drop, and then if you just click the select arrow, double click, and then you can change it. So if you said that was 3 meters, 3m, and then just click off anywhere, and that changes that to 3 meters. When you're all finished, you can screenshot, but you might not like that background there. So let's have a look at some options. If you go to here, and you go to styles, and there are some color sets, default styles, that might be, yeah, so there you go. You can change the background, and then you can also, if you click on the sunglasses, you can get rid of your axes, and then you can make a nice little screenshot to explain the area where the problem is. I hope that helps.